A block of data is stored in memory location from 2400 to 2404. Another block of data having the same length in memory location starting from 2500. Write a program to exchange the contents of these two blocks. In previous program I explained you when from and to is given, the length of the block is determined by the following formula. From highest memory location, the lowest memory location is to be subtracted. Whatever answer you will get, in that answer, whatever answer you will get, in that answer you have to add 1. You will get the length of the block. That means how many memory locations you have to handle, how many memory locations you have to consider in that block, that is called as a length of block. Your program is that two blocks are given and you have to exchange the contents of the block. That means here are the contents of the block which is stored from 2400, and here are the contents of the block which is stored from 2500. When program gets executed, the contents are to be exchanged. That means these numbers should come to the block which begins from 2500. And these numbers should be transferred to the block which begins from 2400. Mutual exchange you have to perform. Here two different blocks are there. To represent the address you require register pair. Here suppose the 2400 initial address of the first block is represented with HL and the initial address of the second block is represented with DE, and how many memory locations you have to handle, that is taken as a counter, and that counter is taken in register B. That number is 5. 5 memory locations you have to handle. Here you have to make correction. Instead of 4, here I am making correction. I am making the number, changing the number to 5. Instead of 4, here the number is 5. 04. You are having the number 05. You have to handle 5 memory locations. Now mutual transfer. The number from 2400 should transfer to 2500 and number from 2500 should transfer to 2400. First initialization, Alexa H2400, initial address of the first block. Then Alexa H2500, initial address of the second block represented with DE. MVIB 05, the how many memory locations you have to handle, that is initialization. 05 means 05 marbles you kept in register B. Next instruction, move M to C. M means memory. HL represents the memory. Go to memory, take the number 1A and transfer it to register C. You brought this number to register C. Then LDAXD. DE gives the memory. Go to that memory, take the number and bring it to the register A, that means to the accumulator. Here the first number is taken to C and from 2500 number is taken to accumulator. Now from accumulator transfer the number to 2400. And to do it, move A to M, whatever present in accumulator, it goes to memory given by HL. That means this number transfer to 2400. Next, take the number from C to A. Take the number from C to A. This number we brought to accumulator. Because DE register pair, when number is to be transferred to that particular memory location, the number should brought to accumulator. That means from this initially taken to C and after C taken to A. Then STAXD, whatever the number present in accumulator, it is stored to memory given by DE. That means this 1A transferred to 2500. 2500. INX H, you go to the next address. INX D, you go to the next address. One transfer takes place, so remove one marble from register B, therefore decrement B. From 5 it becomes 04. Is the number of marble becomes 0? No. Jump not 0. Condition is satisfied. Jump not 0. Number of marbles not equal to 0. Then go to the up. This is called as label. Go to that particular instruction. Here operation code, low order address and high order address 2008. Whatever the instruction is there at 2008, that instruction gets executed. That instruction gets executed. As that instruction gets executed, the same loop is executed again. The same loop is executed again. M to C, that means 1B will come here. Then LDAX D, load accumulator with D, that means this number 0B will go to the accumulator. From accumulator the number is transferred to the memory. From register C, number is transferred to the accumulator, and from accumulator number is transferred to the memory given by DE. And then counter is decremented. This procedure repeatedly takes place every time memory location gets incremented, counter gets decremented, and when counter becomes 0, here jump instruction does not get executed. When counter becomes 0, jump instruction does not get executed, condition is not satisfied. The next instruction gets executed, that is halt, execution of program stops. Mutual exchange starts from 2000. First block begins at 2400, second block begins at 2500. Reset exam memory 2000. Next 21, next 00, next 24, next 11, next 00, next 25, next 06, next 04, next 4E, next 1A, next 77, next 79, next 12, next 23, next 13, next 05, next C2, next 08, next 20, next 76, end of the program. Now enter the contents of first block, enter the data, reset exam memory 2400, increment 1A, increment 1B, increment 1C, increment 1D, increment 1E, increment. Now enter the contents of second block, reset exam memory 2500, increment 0A, increment 0B, increment 0C, increment 0D, increment 0E, increment. Now we have entered the data as well as program. Execute the program. After execution of the program, at memory 2400 onwards, you will get the number 0A and onwards. Reset, go 2000 and execute. Program gets executed, check the result. Reset memory 2400, increment. You will get the number 0A, 0B, 0C, 0D, 0E. Okay. Next, reset, go to memory 25, reset exam memory 2500 and increment. You will get 1A, 1B, 1C and 1D. Here we have taken the counter as 4, that means from 00 to 03. If we again execute the program, again block gets exchanged and you will get the original number. Reset, go 2000 and execute. It gets executed again from 2400. You will get the number 1A, 1B, 1C and 1D. Reset exam memory 2400, 1A, 1B, 1C and 1D. Okay, because counter is taken as 4. Reset exam memory 2500, increment 0A, 0B, 0C and 0D. Once you executed, the number gets exchanged. Again you execute, again number gets exchanged. And you will get the original numbers in original memory block.